How to recover a Gmail password without recovery email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can recover your Gmail password without the recovery email, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you forgot your Gmail or your Google account password and then you've been trying to log into a new account, but then the problem here is that you don't remember the password and you don't have access to the recovery email. Now in that case, one thing that you can basically try to do is it might actually send a code to the phone number if you happen to add phone number as a two-step verification method. So here you can just select your email addresses here, and once you have done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then enter it, and once you enter that, you should be able to actually recover your account. So once you enter your email, just tap the next option, and here it will ask you to enter the password, but we don't remember the password, so we can just tap on the forgot password option here. Once you tap on forgot password, here you can see you didn't provide enough info. Now because you didn't provide either your phone number or anything, it will not give you the option to reset your Google account password. You just have to let go of that Google account. But luckily, if you had your mobile number inside that Gmail account, then in that case you will be able to send the code to your Gmail account and recover it successfully. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.